Hey guys, so this is a potato that I left on my kitchen counter, and it started growing for a week before. I went to London for 7 days. I literally came back last night, and so took a shower, went to bed. Didn't even unpack my stuff. Walked into the kitchen this morning. I'm like, whoa, look, look at the growth of this potato. The plants are there, the roots are all over the place, and it's so beautiful. I'm so fascinated. I'm fascinated, never seen this before. That's my new song. Fascinated, never seen this before. This is so great. I'm gonna transfer this as soon as possible, but I need to watch a YouTube on how to really grow a potato, obviously, in an apartment. So we'll see. I'll keep you posted. I'm fascinated. Never seen this before.